Visual content marketing, what it is and how you can benefit from it. We are all familiar with content marketing, but do you know what visual content marketing is? Chances are you've seen examples of visual content marketing without realizing the significance. With the rise in popularity of platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and Snapchat, businesses are starting to catch on to the power of using visuals in their marketing campaigns. When we are bombarded with content from every angle, it's hard to break through the noise. The visuals help capture the attention of the audience and drive desired results. But what is it exactly? And how can you benefit from using visual content in your marketing strategy? Keep watching to find out. Visual content marketing is a strategy that uses visuals, such as images, videos, infographics, etc., to promote a product or brand. The idea behind visual content marketing is that people are more likely to remember something if they see it, rather than just read about it. Think about it. When was the last time you saw an ad or a piece of promotional material and thought to yourself, that was really well written? Hardly ever, right? On the other hand, you've probably seen plenty of ads that have stuck with you long after you've seen them. Most of us remember well-done ads we saw in our childhood and still feel an association with them when it crosses our eyes. That's the power of visual content. For example, one study found that using visuals in email marketing can increase click-through rates by up to 300%. Another study states that tweets with images receive 34% more retweets than those without images. Humans are visual creatures, and we soak this form of content better than big blocks of text. Hence, visual content marketing can get your brand off to the races. Utilizing engaging visuals can help capture and hold your audience's attention while promoting your brand in a way that resonates with them. Also, including visuals in your marketing doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming, since you have some amazing stock photo sites and design tools at your disposal. As you can see, the benefits, i.e., better engagement with your target audience, increased potential for shares and viral reach, and the ability to stand out from the competition is worth the effort. If you're interested in utilizing visual content marketing for your business, but don't know where to start, contact Swing Point Media. We would be happy to help.